We written to the point and just plain right. Those who think they know what they're talking about are really starting to. And in a crowd of those of us that do. All the expert viewers out there. It must better to say nothing and be thought a fool that speak up and remove all doubt. Na?
Ay bagong tuklas na pantapal daw sa mga sakit-sakit ng katawan. May ilan nang sumubok, pero meron ding mga nagdududa sa bisa nito. Negative ions. Meron nga ba itong resultang positibo? 6 na buwan lang si Baby Rupert nung nagkaroon siya ng tinatawag na scalded skin syndrome. Matinding sakit sa balat kung saan namumula at nalalaglag ang balat sa kanyang buong mukha at katawan.
Pagdating ng 2 days, dinala ko sa pidya. Sabi ng pidya, ay kailangan ito ay dalhin sa ospital para maswiruhan.
Nangamba ang kanyang mga kamag-anak na baka hindi na siya gagaling pa. Pero makalipas ang 1 taon, heto na si Baby Rupert. Masayahin. At higit sa lahat, flawless. Ang nagpakinis daw sa kanya, sanitary napkin na may negative ions. Wala naman daw masama kung sinubukan nila ito, lalo ba't 10 piso lang kada piraso. Tinatanggal lang nila ang negative ion strip sa sanitary napkin. Pagkatapos, itinapal sa sugat ni Baby Rupert. Makalipas lang daw ng 1 linggo, unti-unti nang kuminis di umano.
Our journalists have grown lazy because we as a society are not demanding top quality in journalism. We have been mistaking shock value and sensationalism for newsworthy reporting. Where I do feel that the war in Iraq does deserve a daily headline. Journalists should be expected to bring us more information than just a body count and President Bush list of excuses. Journalists shall be honest, fair, and courage on gathering, reporting, and interpreting information. Journalists shall be free of obligation to any interest other than the public rights to know. Journalists are accountable to the reader, listener, viewers, and each other. Technical journalists treat sources, subject, and challenges as human beings deserving of respect. Make sure the source of your information are reliable and trustworthy. Avoid using anonymous sources.